Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy meme coins on Phantom Wallet. First, launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application and log into your account. Once logged in, you will see the homepage displaying all the coins you currently have in your Phantom Wallet. To purchase any meme coins, ensure you have enough Solana in your account to cover the gas fee. If you don't have enough Solana, tap on Solana in your wallet. Tap on the receive option. You will see a QR code and a deposit address. Copy this address to go to any other wallet or exchange and deposit Solana into your Phantom Wallet. Alternatively, you can buy Solana directly through the Phantom Wallet. Tap on the buy option. Select Solana and enter the amount you wish to purchase. Press next. Choose a payment method such as Coinbase Pay. Complete your payment to add Solana to your Phantom Wallet. Once you have enough Solana in your Phantom Wallet, tap on the swap option. Ensure that Solana is selected at the top. Tap on select token to see a list of available meme coins like dog Wi-Fi hat, beer, book of meme, and etc. Let us say you want to buy bonk coins. Type bonk in the search bar. Select bonk from the list. Enter the amount of Solana you want to spend on bonk coins. The app will show you the equivalent amount of bonk coins you will receive. Press the review order button at the bottom. On the next page, confirm your swap. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.